Hey everyone, today I wanted to show that it's going to be hard to see here because it's dark and I don't have electricity in this building. I added a loft to my one shed. You can see here, this is one of the trusses, and the rest of them I took and I braced the corners of the trusses, and I built the floor lower to give me more room up here. And then what I did was I cut the trusses out, to give me more height with the lower floor. There you can see the 2x6s running across the loft for the new floor. And then I braced the, I guess now rafters, maybe it's still a truss, braced it to the floor, braced the corners. I have a, I guess you call it a rafter tie I put in there. I could probably do a couple more. The one truss I left in there, I kind of use it like as a wall, I guess, because that's where the plywood stops. There's a gap you can see all around the floor too, which is kind of nice because it lets some daylight up in here. I don't know, it's pretty easy to do. I might brace this a little more, like I say, maybe another rafter tie or two. That's why I left these a little long, because I might want to, still do that, although I do have the gussets up there where the rafter pieces of the truss came together. So maybe I'm okay. It feels plenty strong. But yeah, it was pretty easy, and a couple sheets of plywood obviously for the floor. So it's a 8x8 up here inside of a 10x12 building, so a foot, a daylight on the ends, sides I guess, and 2 feet on the ends. But I think it worked out pretty good, and it was easy to do. Not sure if it was the best way to do it, but it works and I trust it, and thanks for watching.